just rather watch me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. I am staying safe. Welcome to the continuation vlog of IKEA store. I know it is very interesting. Still we are in the first floor, which means we'll see only the display samples to compare and choose our favorite products. Who are watching this vlog, please watch even the previous vlog of IKEA. Because if you watch that, you'll come to know and you'll get an idea why Hyderabad people are crazy about IKEA. I already told about IKEA in my first vlog of IKEA introduction, but though it is a continuation vlog, who are watching this vlog, even they have to get an idea why IKEA is so famous. So are you guys ready? Let's get started. This store is very famous in Hyderabad. It contains 3 areas. One is the showroom on the first floor where you guys are watching. This is the first floor. Here we'll see display samples to compare and choose our favorite products. Here you'll be getting kitchen cabinets, kitchen and dining, office and school supplies, bedding and bath, home decor, storage and organization, storage furniture, sitting room furniture. So here what you guys are watching is a kitchen setup what they made, and they are really well designed. These are all different types of wash basins. Wow, each and every product is really eye-catching, guys, and definitely everybody feel like having these products at their home. But the prices are not so pleasing, but still if we wanted to buy, definitely we can go for it. And this is the one, each floor, each section, I've seen this pencil and booklet, or even the measuring tape, everything they've kept ready. If you want to buy, you can just note down the things, or you can mark the things whichever you want to buy. So these are all the display pieces. As I told you, we are just in first floor, so still we need to go to the other floors also. So here, when you have a booklet, pencil and tape, start creating a shopping list, guys, and borrow a yellow bag. It's all you need to do. Once a list is finalized, we need to go to the market hall, which is on the ground floor. It is better to enter into this hall if you are visiting for the second time. Take another look at in the market hall. You can really collect smaller items and accessories, borrow a trolley to make your shopping easier, and lastly a self-service furniture area, which is here you can borrow a flat trolley to pick up your flat packed furniture. Make sure to look for the rack and location of the product in red. I told you now, guys, each section they've just kept, or in a corner of each section they've just kept this just to make our shopping easy, because we might watch many of the products here. We may not able to remember all the products. Some we might like, few we feel like buying it later. So if we just mark it and keep it with us, definitely it will be helpful in the end of the shopping. These are few products where we'll use it in our regular basis. Those are these clothes drying stand. This is the bedroom display, which is really beautifully designed. I really liked it because it's a white theme, and this is again a kids room which is really looking awesome. Here we'll be getting a wide range of furnitures and other household products. Wow, what a great and huge store in Hyderabad, guys, which is beautifully designed, and what a displays, guys. Awesome it is. You guys might have seen the messy beds in the IKEA. You guys might be having a question why it's like that. If you have a question, if you would have seen the previous video of IKEA, definitely will come to know. But still, I'm gonna tell you now also. This is the place where people even come and nap. Yes, you just heard it right. You don't go to IKEA to just shop, guys. You eat there, you spend a day there, and if it is too noisy at home, you can even go and catch a nap there. That is the specialty of IKEA. IKEA is not just a store, guys, it's an experience. This is one more kids room display, which is really looking too good with the color combination, looking so colorful. Also, kids really love to have such rooms at home. Yes, we are really tired of roaming only the first floor. It really took us a lot of time. So let's spend some time in cafeteria, we just decided. And cafeteria specialities also I'm going to explain now. Please don't skip. Please watch full video. Coffee also very expensive there. Why? Because I'll tell you. Please wait for it. Before that, let's have a look of entire cafeteria. Why it is so expensive? 60 rupees. Why? Why? You will be having a question, right? So here is the answer. You will be getting a different flavors of coffee here. In that, I've chosen cappuccino. Here for 60 rupees, it's not for the cup of coffee. We can take a multiple times. That is the specialty of IKEA. We can drink 5 times, 10 times as our wish. But minimum we can take 1 or 2 cups, guys, not more than that. We can only consume so much. I'm really tired of roaming the first floor itself and going to the other floor. We really need a break. So came to cafeteria and gonna relax with this tasty coffee, that too with the unlimited times. In one day or one video, it's really not enough to do about IKEA store, because in 10 minutes what we can explain it, guys. There is a lot many things to explain, lot many experience to share. So I really don't want to miss this opportunity. So though it is a second video, I really wanted to continue with the next vlog. So don't miss to watch even the other videos, because I already entered the ground floor. Now you can even see the glimpse of it. That's all for today's fun, guys. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.